Hi boys and girls, it's Shane. I'm about to go take care of the bees in my Vampire Den Airbnb. But first I'm going to modify this helmet to protect me from bees, because I don't really want to get stung. But I think this will be the perfect helmet for it. What I need to do, these holes are big enough bees could get through. So I've got this window screen material, and I'm going to try to fasten it in such a way that I can block the holes so the bees can't get through. What could go wrong, right?
Paint tape. If it blocks paint, it'll block bees.
Right, what could go wrong? There are apparently a large number of beekeepers. One of them wanted to charge me $1,000 to do this earlier, and I'm like, I'm not paying $1,000 to do this. And they're like, well, that's how much it's going to cost. And I said, well, I'm not going to pay that. And then they looked up my TikTok, I guess, after that and saw the video and called me back and really wanted to do it. They were practically begging me. It's a true story. They were practically begging me to let them come out and do it for free, just to make a TikTok video about it. And I was like, nope, now I'm doing it myself. I've already come up with a plan. So hopefully I don't get stung a bunch. Some of the biggest weaknesses, there's going to be this gap here where the bees can get in. So after I put the helmet on and I get suited up, Shay is going to tape me in, so the helmet will all be taped and all those areas will be covered to prevent the bees from getting through. But I've already got the screen taped in here, so I don't know if you can see or not, but now there's window screen, so these holes will no longer allow bees through. Now I've got to do this, the eye hole, the place I'm going to be looking through. Or should I do it open like this and then attach the screen all the way across to where you can see my face during the process? It'd give me more visibility. Big if. I'm going to try to protect myself here. I have no intention of getting stung a bunch. Okay, my hair is stuck inside my helmet. I'm trying to get this helmet off, and my hair is stuck. Okay, so I probably need to cover my hair before I put the helmet on. Ow. Ooh. I know that you see like Heath Ledger in A Knight's Tale with his long flowing hair when he takes his helmet off. It's no big deal. I wonder how they filmed that. There's probably some property involved. What if I could make it to where it was screened in the upward position or the downward position? What if I could make
Well, I mean, you could make it both.
Yeah. So if there's a screen there, the upward or the downward position wouldn't matter.
No.
And all it would take is, this is a solid piece. Actually, like I could just tape.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. We're modifying design as we go. So now I've got a head covering, so we're all good.
And Jemima ain't got nothing on there, brother.
How do I look? I'm glad I could make you laugh. That's a good sign. All right. Do you think this is going to protect me from some bees?
By the time it's all, would you put the laces on? Yeah, that's going to be good. I'm going to take the fire out of it.
Okay. So the way this vacuum works is it fits on an ordinary 5-gallon bucket. Like that. Then it will have a vacuum attachment that goes to it. So the vacuum part of it we're already covered on, but we need to reduce the power so we don't hurt bees. The objective is to keep the bees alive. So the way we're going to reduce the power is we're going to cut a hole in this. So I need to get a hole set.
Actually, just your oscillator will work because we're going to cut the big hole for the screen.
Okay, I'll grab an oscillator. Yeah.
Well done.
Okay.
Give me about a couple of inches on the corners there. All right. Give me a little bit because it's going to stick there too.
Okay. Yeah. It's going to get cold if you wait much longer. Just make sure you got enough to wrap all the way.
I do. Made it extra small and big.
Extra small and big.
Good. Still talking with my Mandarin in strip. From Liverpool, can't you tell?
Yeah. plug her in and see if she works. So this should make the vacuum gentle because it has a place to vent.
Just enough pressure to suck them out.
We want our bees to have some food, so I've got some honey and a little bit of water. I'm going to put the honey and the water in the bottom here with some hot glue so it doesn't tip over during our bee removal.
Works good.
Perfect. All right. So we got a bee vacuum. I've made my bee helmet. I think I'm going to be safe as we work on this bee hive. You guys make sure to follow here in a little bit. We're going to be posting some videos of all this, and hopefully I live through it. We'll see. Bye.